How to use Yoast SEO plugin tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will show you how to use SEO plugin for your WordPress website. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply go to yoast.com and you will land on this platform right here. Yoast is a SEO plugin that helps you increase the SEO of your website. It has different features and tools that meet the highest technical SEO standards. And it also gives you the tools to optimize your content for SEO and overall readability. Now, to use Yoast, you will have to add this plugin to your WordPress website. And that's what I will show you today, that how we can add this plugin to our WordPress website and what are the different features and tools we get with Yoast. So let's get started. Now, what you have to do is, if you go to the website and go to our products, you will be able to find all of the different products of Yoast. Yoast SEO for WordPress, and then you can actually go ahead and check out different options. Yoast is also available for Shopify and WooCommerce, but today we will be talking about SEO for WordPress website. Now, let's go to our WordPress website and add our SEO plugin. So this is our WordPress website. What you need to do is simply open up the dashboard of your website that you have created and you want to add the SEO plugin to. This plugin will help our website to land on the highest results in Google. Now, what I will do is simply go to plugins right here and go to add new. So in add plugins, I will search for there you go. We have Yoast SEO. Improve your WordPress SEO. Now, you can see right here that Yoast has up to 5 million active installations, and it is also compatible with my version of WordPress. What you have to do is simply click on install now, and it will take few seconds to install. Once it's installed, all you have to do is click on activate, and this plugin will be activated. Once it's added to your website, you will be able to find it right here. SEO. Click on this one and it will open up the Yoast SEO in our WordPress website. So this is my general Yoast SEO. I have my own dashboard, features, integrations, and Webmaster tools. So let's go to the dashboard. So this is the dashboard. Now let's go to features and enable different features for our SEO plugin. So in Yoast SEO, we have a lot of different features. Now what you have to do is you have to enable them. We have SEO analysis and I'm going to enable this one. Readability on this one. Cornerstone content. Text link counter. Insights. Link suggestions. Admin bar menu. Security. Usage tracking. REST API. Enhanced Slack sharing. So once you enable all of these, then what you have to do is simply click on save changes. If you want to use the premium of Yoast, then you can simply go ahead and upgrade to your Yoast Premium. It will allow you to get a lot of more features. There will be multiple key phrases, 24/7 email support, no social preview, no more dead links, and no ads. So to go to Yoast SEO Premium, you can simply go ahead and buy this one. This is just $99 per year. And you can simply go ahead and upgrade your Yoast to your premium. Once you do that, then you will get the insights and link suggestions right here. So once you're done with the save changes right here in your journal of Yoast SEO, you can simply go to integrations as well. So with Yoast, we can get different integrations such as Write, Zapier, and others as well. This is really good that we're getting integrations because most of the SEO platforms do not allow third parties. But Yoast is giving us an option to add different integrations. Once you do that, you can simply go ahead and enable any of the integrations. That will actually help you with the SEO of your website. Then we have the Webmaster tools. Webmaster tool verification. What you have to do is these are different Webmaster tools such as Baidu, Bing, Google, and Yandex. So you can add them right here to get the verification code. And this is really good. For example, if my website is verified on Google, then nobody can stop me from getting my website in the Google search. I can also get my website in the Bing search and similarly on others. So this is really good that we get a lot of different search engines in Yoast. So this is a overview of Yoast right here, and you can simply go ahead and add it to your website. Once you do that, then you will be able to go ahead and check it out. This is the general option of Yoast. You can go for search appearance, social, and tools as well. So let me just show you around these tools. So this is our search appearance. I can go with content types, media, taxonomies, archives, and breadcrumbs. And then we also have the RSS. Let's go with content types. So with content types, I can actually select different content types that I want to go for. For example, show post in search results on, show SEO settings for post, and it is also on. Now every time I will be creating a post on my website, I will actually be able to check all of the keywords and SEO titles. I will also be able to check different descriptions and keywords for my description so that my content, my post will be SEO friendly. And then Yoast will do its magic and my website will land in the search. Similarly, I can go for media, and in media, I can add SEO friendly links and URLs. You can see right here, redirect attachment URLs to attachment itself, and it is on. Then we have archives and RSS as well. You can add a RSS feed in your Yoast and simply click on Save Changes. After that, let me show you the tools. So in tools, we get import and export option. We can import settings from other SEO plugins and export your settings for reuse on another site. This is actually really impressive that how Yoast is allowing us to go ahead and import and export settings. Then we have file editor. This tool allows you to quickly change import files for your SEO, like your robots text, and if you have one or other files. Then we have bulk editor. This tool allows you to quickly change titles and description of your post with bulk settings. So that means we can perform bulk actions with our Yoast. Then we have, of course, optimize SEO data. You can speed up your site and get insight into your eternal linking. You can get insight into your eternal linking structure by letting us perform a few optimization to the way SEO data is stored. So these are the different tools that Yoast works on. Then we have social right here that actually works on the social aspect of our website and helps our website land higher in social media, such as Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest, so that my website can land higher in the search results of different social media. All you have to do is simply add the URL of your Facebook page, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest, YouTube, and Wikipedia, and then click on Save Changes. And all of the URLs will be saved and you will be able to work on the social SEO of your website. So yeah guys, these are the different features and tools we get with Yoast SEO. And now you know how to use Yoast SEO for your WordPress website. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.